Good morning, sweet friends. Hey, this is Grace, and I'm getting ready this morning, and I had the best time last night meeting with some of my awesome friends in Manchester, and I wanted to just do a quick how-to with the Miracle set because they really loved the skincare, and I want to make sure they know how to use it. And so my face, I actually already did my cleanser. I put it on before I got in the shower and took my washcloth in there and cleaned it all off. But you always start with your cleanser morning and night, okay? But we're gonna go through first the morning routine. Now what's really cool is after you moisturize, or after you cleanse and you've got your whole face clean, the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna put on your day cream or your day, I call this a day serum. It's got an SPF in it, a protectant in it. And what I love about this, you can put it on under moisturizer or over moisturizer. So like if I was gonna be in the house just like bumming around, I probably wouldn't even put it on. But if I'm gonna be outside, and like today I am, I'm gonna put it on. The other thing is, like, let's say I'm bumming around and I don't put it on and then we go somewhere, I can just put this on right over my moisturizer. It's a really versatile product. I love it. So I'm gonna take a little bit, just a couple of these, and I'm actually gonna be driving a lot today. And believe it or not, I'm so pale. I will burn on my face and neck and chest. Through the windshield. Not a joke. So I'm gonna do my neck, my chest. I'm gonna get in there and really make sure I'm, covered because I'll burn. I'm gonna let that set for just a second and then I'm gonna do moisturizer. Now, I wanna talk about what my nighttime routine looks like. So the only things that are different at night, the first thing I do is I use the oil-free eye makeup remover. Make sure you shake it. And this, I put on a cotton pad and I clean my eye area. This stuff is so important, okay? Do not use soap on your eyes. It's not good for them, not good for your actual eye, not good for your eyelashes. It's not really a healthy choice. So I'm gonna really encourage you. And if it doesn't have the word eye in the title, it's not meant to go on the eye. Like that's like, I want to say it's like maybe an FDA reg, but you want to make sure that you're using an actual eye makeup remover. So I love this. Again, shake it. I put some on a cotton round, hold it against, and then wipe. It's super gentle. And what I actually do, I don't use two of them. I do one and then I flip it over and do the other eye. The second thing I do, especially on days when I've been in the sun and I've had my sunscreen on the days when especially I've worn makeup. I just literally use it every single night. This is micellar water. And what micelles are, they're like these cells and they act like magnets and they pull junk out of your pores. So I always tell people this is like sweeping before you mop, okay? Like get the big chunk off and your cleanser can cleanse so much more deeply. So again, this goes on a cotton pad. I do my whole face, behind my ears, across the back of my neck. You'll be amazed at what comes off. Now, there are people who only do this and then they don't cleanse. You guys, like, it's not the same. So this is an extra. This gets your face extra clean, but this is not in place of a cleanser. This, like, it's just not. Or the other time, this is really good for like teenage girls after PE, that kind of thing. And then I wash my face. And instead of the day one that has SPF, I use the night one. And this is so fantastic. These little beads go up through here and break. And what comes out is high concentration vitamin A, E, and skin brightener. So especially as we lose luster to our skin with age, it really makes sure that we have a nice kind of soft glow to us. I love this stuff. It helps with fine lines. It helps with acne scarring. And it really helps with uneven skin tone. I love that. And then I finish with my moisturizer. So, and all of that, it sounds like so much. Like you guys, it takes me less than 3 minutes to wash my face. And I just really encourage women, and again, these products are really potent. It doesn't take much at all. And whatever you do to your face, do to your neck. And again, it takes about 3 minutes in the morning and in the afternoon. Or in the evening, I guess, before bed. I'm gonna say you're worth that. I'm gonna say you're worth 3 minutes in the morning and 3 minutes in the afternoon to wash your face, moisturize it, and protect it, or heal it, whichever it would be. So anyway, I hope that helps. Big shout out to my Manchester peeps. I adore you guys. And if it's been a while since we've seen each other, don't forget, you can totally connect with me for a Teleface with Grace, which is virtual, or I can pop by in your neighborhood and we can just answer the questions you have, play with the products you want. So, bye friends.